Hello grade 9 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Miss Madhu Varke. We will continue with chapter 7, Triangles. In today's video lesson, we will apply criteria for congruence, that is SAS, ASA and AAS, and also the isosceles triangle property in proving questions of exercise 7.2. We have solved first two questions in the previous video, so let's continue with question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to AC and AB, which are the equal sides. So let's write down what information is given in this part of the question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with equal sides AC and AB. So we can write AC is equal to AB and the altitudes BE to side AC. So BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Show that these altitudes are equal. So we have to prove the altitudes BE equal to CF. In order to show these altitudes equal, we have to find the triangles that contain them and then show these triangles congruent. So locate these triangles in the figure. Triangle ABE contains BE and triangle AFC contains FC. Since they are overlapping, we will separate them. Triangle ABE in which BE is perpendicular to AC, so it is perpendicular to AE as well. Then triangle AFC FC is perpendicular to AB, so it will be perpendicular to AF. And we know that angle A is a common angle to both these triangles, so they are going to be equal. Also, it is given that AB is equal to AC. Notice that we have two angles and a side of one triangle equal to two angles and a side of the other triangle. So which criteria do we apply here to prove them congruent? Obviously, angle, angle and side. Let's write down the steps of this proof. AB equal to AC given. Angle BAE equal to angle CAF common. Angle BEA equal to angle CFA, each is 90 degrees. So this implies triangle ABE is congruent to triangle. A corresponds to A, E corresponds to F and B corresponds to C. So triangle ABE will be congruent to triangle ACF by angle, angle, side. So we can say that parts of these two triangles are also congruent or equal. So BE is equal to CF. by CPCT, and that is what we have to show. Now notice that in this question, FC is also a side of triangle BFC and BE is also a side of triangle BEC. So can we use these triangles to show the result? That is triangle BCF and triangle BEC. Let's mark the sides and angles that are equal in these two triangles. BC is equal to BC because that is a common side. Also, CF is perpendicular to BF and BE is perpendicular to CE because CF and BE are altitudes. We are given that AB is equal to AC in triangle ABC. So we can use the isosceles triangle property and say that angle B is equal to C. That is, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So then we have angle B equal to angle C in these two triangles. And then these two triangles will be congruent by angle, angle, side. Start by mentioning the triangles. In triangle BCF and triangle CBE, BC is equal to BC, common side. AB is equal to AC. This is given. This implies angle B is equal to angle C. And angle BFC is equal to angle BEC. Each is 90 degree and that is given in the question. So this implies triangle BFC is congruent to triangle CEB by angle, angle, side. And then we can say that CF is equal to BE by CPCT. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which the altitudes BE and CF are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and AB equal to AC. That is, we have to show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is given in the question? Altitudes BE and CF to the sides AC and AB are equal. This means that BE equal to CF. This question is exactly converse of question number 3. Let's separate the triangles that we have to prove congruent. So this is triangle ABE and this is triangle ACF. Let's mark the sides and the angles that are equal in these two triangles. BE is given equal to CF and BE is an altitude to AC, so BE will be perpendicular to AE. Similarly, CF is an altitude to AB, so CF will be perpendicular to AF. Now the third part that we need in these two triangles to be equal is very obvious. Angle A is a common angle in these two triangles. So angle A is going to be equal. So now we have two angles and a side of one triangle equal to the corresponding two angles and a side of the other triangle. So these two triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. Write down the steps of the proof. What is to be proved is clearly stated in the question. So let's jump to the proof. Start by mentioning the triangles in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. BE is equal to CF given. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Each is 90 degrees. As BE and CF are altitudes to AC and AB. And angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. These are common angles. So this implies triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by angle, angle, side. So if these two triangles are congruent, their parts are also congruent. So we can say that AB is equal to AC by CPCT. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today is example 5 of the textbook question, which is a similar question to the questions that we have done today. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.